and we inspire people inside. We cause ripple effects within each other, and people confuse that with competition. It's a confusion. It's a con, you guys. It's a con, and don't fuse with it. That's the problem. It's unity. I'm a raver girl from my teens. Plurred life. Peace, love, unity, and mother respect me how I respect you, brother, sister, Balian, creature of our world that we are together in. Wake the up. I hope you know I'm not talking to you anymore, baby. I hope you know that I might upload this because I get on a tangent and it's a thread of my ADD train of wonder-filled, inquisitive, childlike wonder. It's like that Jim Morrison quote.
Okay, has landed.